919 Dog is the area's premier full-service dog walking company. For the past 15 years, we've been serving dog owners throughout the entire Triangle area. You too can count on us to look after your pet in the mornings, afternoons, or evenings when you're unable to do so due to long days at work or any other important commitments keeping you away from being at home and caring for your dog. At 919 Dog, we truly love dogs, and dogs sure do love us back. We've been walking and caring for dogs since 1999. We're an active member of Pet Sitters International, the world's largest organization of professional pet sitting businesses, which are independently owned and operated. With 919 Dog, your furry family member is truly in good hands when you're not at home. Guaranteed. Here are some of the top reasons why you'll love working with 919 Dog. We're trained and certified in dog first aid, care, and CPR by the Red Cross and Pet Tech. In business since 1999 with over 1,000 happy and satisfied clients. We offer services 365 days of the year from 5 a.m. till 11 p.m., rain or shine. Rates during weekends or holidays never ever change. We offer 100% customized dog walking routines starting at only $20 for 30 minutes. We offer real-time GPS tracking and verification of all walking activity daily. Online management of services, appointments, and billings is available 24/7, 365. We provide top-notch support by phone, email, or in person, 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. on weekdays and 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekends. We also offer discounted rates and prepaid packages for new clients. Be sure to inquire for all the details. Visit our website anytime at 919dog.com to learn more about our professional dog walking services.